let's talk about what is a hypervisor. Hypervisor is technology that enables virtualization to be a thing, right? So software that integrates the physical hardware and the VM, so the virtual hardware, the VM's virtual hardware, right? And we have sort of two types. We have type 1, which is bare metal. So these are what you can think of like your dedicated virtual machines, not your laptop, right? Or your PC or whatever, not your personal machine or your local machine, right? Runs directly on the host to manage guest operating systems. And most common in data centers, yes. So for example, Azure, Google, or AWS, they will have these bare metal machines, and then you'll have VMs on top of them, right? And then, for example, for hypervisor, we have Hyper-V, Microsoft's Hyper-V, VMware, vSphere, KVM is inside of the Linux kernel. So like some of the popular ones, right? Then you have type 2, hosted. Runs on a conventional OS as a software layer or application. This is something that if you're learning on your own, you probably have used, right? And abstracts the guest OS from the host OS. And most common with individual use, like I said, if you're doing this on your own. For example, VM Workstation, VirtualBox. I know there's like Parallels. There might be a couple other ones. If you know any more, let us know in the chat. But there are a bunch of them up there. So this is sort of a diagram of what a like VM would look like. So we see on the left side, we have a server, host OS, hypervisor, and then you can have a bunch of guest operating systems and such in this virtual machine over here, right? And then we have another option over here as well. Virtualizations, we have physical server, right? So this is what would be the bare metal option. You have the actual physical server, then you have the virtualized version on it, and then a bunch of more VMs on top of it. And it looks like this one has shared storage.